Hi, this is a short tutorial about a new feature in PsyToolkit survey presentation. So what we have here, I just have a basic survey. This is actually the so-called humor scale questionnaire. What we have here is a so-called Likert scale question. So first we describe the scale. So we have a scale that I call HSQ agree, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 options. So people can scale something from totally disagree to totally agree. Now that's nothing new, we already had that. And then there's the question, we label it HSQ. There's some text that participants need to read. That is not so important. That's just fairly standard. But what is so it says here it's a scale question. So you get, but here this is new. The O, that's an option build up. And when you do that, each line of this question will be shown one by one. And when people click the answer, then it scrolls down. So that the question builds up. And you can't really understand, I think, unless I show you what it is. So let me save the code, then compile the code. Now remember, I have this side menu on, so that I can also just click here, compile, and then go to the compile section. And then, as usual, you click here on the test. And there you get, I have no welcome screen here, I've set it up like that. So this is, as usual. So this is a Likert scale question, and here it says, I usually don't laugh or joke around. And then say, for example, if I say, well, maybe I disagree, then you see it. Then you get the next item. I'm feeling depressed, I can usually cheer up myself with humor, say I slightly agree, and so on. And that works perfectly fine. And you go on and on and on. So this is really nice. This survey builds up itself. That's why the option is called build up. Now on phones, on mobile phones, this, I would say, looks even better. I can show you that. Actually, what we can do is we can just run the questionnaire again. But if I make it, and you can test it, if you want to test out your phone, what it looks like on a phone, you just make your screen narrow. You don't need to recompile it, and you run it. Like on a mobile phone, it's a narrow screen, so then the boxes take on like this. So you can say, I usually don't laugh. Usually it looks even somewhat better on a phone. And then people click it, and then it scrolls down to the next item. I'm feeling depressed. I can usually cheer up myself with humor, then and so on. And people click through this. Well, hopefully they read it. But the idea is that the question builds itself up. And there we go. That's it for today. I hope you like this lesson. And if you do, like and subscribe. And until next time.